How to delete all Instagram data. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how I can delete all the Instagram data, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have the Instagram application installed over here and then you are logged into your account, you want to clear all the data. Now remember that I'm not talking about account data, because the only way to delete your account data itself, like your pictures and so on, is to delete the whole account itself, because Instagram already has the data. I'm only talking about the app data, maybe because your storage is full or maybe anything as such. You want to clear the app data. It is actually very simple. Now clearing the app data will not actually delete all of the posts on your account, because this is related to your account. It will only clear the Instagram app, which means that if you're logged in, you're most likely going to get logged out. That's all there is to it. In order to do this, all you have to do is go ahead and long press the Instagram app icon for Android users, then just tap the app info option that you can find here, which will directly take you to the app information page. So over here, go to storage and cache, and here you'll find clear storage. Tap on it, and here you can see delete app data. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Now don't worry, this is only that we're deleting the data. If you're on iPhone, you have to only uninstall and reinstall the app, but for Android users, you don't have to do that. Next time whenever you open up Instagram, your account is completely safe. It is only going to get logged out, so you might want to log in again, and this way it will clear the Instagram app data and at least free up some storage for you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.